So today we've got the World Championship pace sticking competition. What you'll see today is teams from the UK and international teams coming together to fight for the prize, you could say, of being the best UK and international pace sticking teams. The pace stick has been around since the 1800s, but then in 1928 the late Academy Sergeant Major Arthur Brand, he introduced drill movements using the pace stick, and then that was adopted across the British Army and across the world. We've got 12 UK teams. I think probably three of note I'd like to mention would be the Royal Hospital Chelsea, and we have a junior soldier team from Harrogate. And what was really poignant about today was as the Chelsea pensioners were coming back down the runway, the junior soldiers were going up the runway, so we had that sort of overlap, but also that overlap of generations. 16, 17-year-olds competing against people in their 70s and 80s. I think this is probably one of those only competitions in the Army that could happen, so probably a real special moment, and you could see from the buzz in the crowd that it meant a lot to a lot of people.